Hello to everyone and welcome on this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a cover page for your mini project. So I'm going to open Microsoft Word. Very nice. Good. So here I close blank document. So you click on blank document. Then now you move to insert at this level of insert. Now when you're at the level of insert, if you look here you'll be seeing cover page. So I just click here. Good. So there is a lot of cover page here. So you are going to choose which one is nice for you, in fact, and you modify. So in our own case, let us just choose, I don't know, we can choose this last one. Nice. So you're having something like that. So I hope everybody has seen that. Good. So the first thing, I'm going to modify this place here by just right clicking on that. I'm going to wipe the existing. I'm going to write this session in capital letter. Session 2000 and so I'm doing it for this year, meaning 2024 2025. So here you are filling based on the year you are writing your own exam. So I'm going to select the text back. I'm going to move to home. At the level of home, the size, I'm going to increase the size too small. I'm going to take the size to be 18. Good, it's perfect. So the color here is white. So now please, each and everyone should like make the design the way he want. There is nothing as a restriction at the GC. No, put your own design. If this color you want to change it to maybe red, move here, you select the red color. See, so at this level there is no problem. Now for the title, if I click here, you're going to see that this is inside what we call the text box. So I'm going to show you. You see, I can move it. To move it is very easy. Just make sure that you move your arrow here. You verify whether the arrow is looking like this plus here. Now from here, you just press on the left click of your mouse and you move the mouse. You can move everything like that. So I want to move it at the center like this. Now I'm going to change. I'm going to select document. I'm going to write there computer science. Computer science. Good. So you are seeing that everything is not like on the same line. No problem. You move again at this level here because everything is inside a box. So you move your cursor at this level. Make sure your cursor is changing and looking like my own. From there, left click the same thing. You drag it like that. You see. So it's exactly that. Good. Now at the place of I'm going to remove this. Good. So this is the title. Now I'm going to select back the title. Move at this level, bold. I'm going to click on bold. I think it's better. Now the size 36. I think 36 is okay. Now for the color, I'm going to choose a. In fact, at this level, choose what you want. I'm going just to choose a green color. Good. So I think everything is okay. I can decide to move that very well at the center. Good. So after this, the next thing I'm going to say, I'm going to move at this level, insert. So look my cursor very well, insert. You move to the level of text box. You click there. Now you'll be seeing that these are the different text box you can decide to add. You see, so you're going to make your choice here. So let us say I'm going to take this one here. Good. So just move down. You see, there are a lot of choice. So I'm going to choose one like this one. Good. You see, now I'm going to wipe everything inside. To wipe everything inside is very easy. You just select and you wipe. You write your own thing. So there I'm going to write mini project in capital letter. Mini projects. Good. Very nice. So you are seeing that there mini project. I'm going to select the text. You select. You move back to home. At the level of home, you can take bold. The size is too small. You can increase the size to 20. So please, actually normally you're supposed to, at this level nobody should have a problem. So if you have any problem, move back and watch the previous video on how to manipulate Microsoft Word. Very important. So at this level I'm going to click again on the box, move at this level on the border. Good. At the level of the border, look my cursor very well. You see how the arrow have changed. Good. When your arrow is looking like that one, now you can now press on your left button on the mouse and try to move it so that you can have something like this. You see. Good. So I can leave it like that. It's just for a design. it's okay. Now after, I can place my cursor again, make sure I'm having something like this so that I can move it. Good. You place at the center. So I think it's nice. Now at this level here, each time you like move to insert and choose a cover page at this level, is coming already with some information. Like here, if you look down, you are going to see this an information if programmer, some. In fact, just wipe everything. So you just click on the box, or you select what is inside like this. You press on delete button on your keyboard. You just press, you wipe everything. Good. Also, you are going to insert something at this level here, which is very easy. So here, I'm going to move back to insert, go to where is it, text box. Now at this level, I want to choose something very interesting. Please, at this level, you can do it the way you want. Just make sure that the information I'm putting on the cover page, just put the same information. So I'm going to choose something like this. You see that the thing is appearing up there, no problem. Just make sure you click there. You see, verify my arrow very well. I don't want any student to have a problem at this level. My arrow, I'm having a plus, something like plus with 4 arrows at the same time. You see, I'm going to carry that move down here. Good. So let me just carry it again somewhere here. Good. So I'm going to place myself here to increase it like that. Good. So I'm going to wipe this text inside. So I'm going to say name, 2 dots. Now after the name, the next thing is you move to your keyboard and you press this. No, you press on shift, you press this thing many times. So if you cannot see this, no problem, you move here, you press keyboard, on screen keyboard. You see, this is here, you click on that. Good. Now if you look, let me bring it down here so that you can be seeing it, or let me bring it somewhere up here. Good. Let us say I want to do the second one. After name, at this level, put name of student. It's better. Name of student. Good. So you're seeing it's not staying on one line. So I'm going to increase this again like that. Good. So that it should be staying on one line. I think it's better like this. Good. So at the end here, I'm going to press enter. So the next information is school. School. Good. 2 dots. Now, how am I putting those lines? Is very easy. You move at this level here. This the line here. You are seeing that here. If you press here, you see, look at what you are putting. This is not correct. So I'm going to wipe it. I'm going to press on shift on my keyboard. Shift. When you press on shift, you are having now this other one here. You see, you can press it many times. It depends on the length of the line you are trying to put. So to make it very beautiful, you can press it so that it's having the same length as the other one. Hope you are seeing that. Very easy. Good. Now, after this thing, I think it's better to give a space between them. Very nice. So after here, I'm going to give 2 space. So you press enter 2 times. So the next information here is candidate number. Candidate number. Good. 2 dots. Next. Put your line. No, not this one. Very nice. Good. So remember now, let me close this keyboard. Good. At this level, you can decide to select all this and change the color to black if you want. Good. So I change the color to, I first of all put it in bold. Good, bold, so that it should be big. And move to color, I take the black color. So I think I'm having something like this. Good. This, in fact, you click on that, you move it up here like this. It should be something like this. I think it's okay. Now you're going to take again another box to add something. So you move back to insert. Text box. Now you're going to choose a simple text box this time. Simple meaning something like this. Wait. Something easy, something simple. You are going to choose something simple like this. Good. So you wipe everything there. You write supervisor, or you write teacher signature. teacher signature. So I hope, yes, since the thing is up here, I'm going to make same, place myself on that, make sure my arrow is looking like this. I'm going to bring it down here, not down, not too down, where immediately after this. Good. So meaning that the teacher, when the teacher is going to mark, is going to sign at this level. Good. So this is a mini, in fact, this is a good cover. In fact, you can modify it yourself. My aim, in fact, was just like to show you how I can create something like that. So please, I've shown you the different things to manipulate. Good. Insert, you move to insert here, text, you try to choose anything you want here to make your own design, and the rest. Good. So any problem, you let me know. Good. If you're able to reproduce what I did here, fine. Also, you can use that for your project. Now, before starting at this level, I forgot to mention something. Go on your desktop, create a folder, new folder. We did that already. Call it cover page. Cover page. Enter. Good. Now move back to Word. At this level, we click here, save as. You click on browse. Now you call it, you change this name to cover page. If you want to write in small letter. Now you move to desktop. You look at the folder you have created. The name was cover page. So this is it here. Enter, save. Good. So everything is saved. Good. And from there, you are going to print this to be your cover page. So hope you have enjoyed the video. You can create your own cover page. Good. By coming here, you can choose another one. You see, you train yourself. In fact, good. Like here, this is another nice one here. Good. Another person can decide to use this to make his own modification, and everything will be nice. In fact, so just know that you need to have something where you can hide your name on your school and a place where the teacher can sign. And we need to see the title computer science very clearly, and the subtitle mini project. Good. And the year, in fact, good. The session, meaning the year you are writing your this is. So these are the different information we need to see. So you can do your own. For the design, we don't really care about that. So just train yourself. You are learning, and it's all. So thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. So subscribe, for those that are not really understanding. In French, they say abonné. You see, so good. Sometimes you'll be seeing people saying abonnez-vous. Good. So in English, say subscribe. So subscribe to the channel. Thank you. And in the next video, I'm going to show you a sample project. Ciao.